Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? I hope 2018 has been a good year to all of you so far. It's been semi-good to me, but I'm getting through it. So today I feel like having McDonald's, so I ordered it online and I just got it delivered. So happy, excited. Since I'm ordering McDonald's, so I thought why not just turn on camera and chat with you guys. So yeah, let's see what's in the bag. Okay, there's a burger, tissues, sauces, and fries. I believe this is some shaker fries, something. Yeah, so I'm so excited. I haven't done mukbang in a very long time, so yeah, thank you for your patience for waiting for me if you are still watching. Excited. Oh, you can't see my, see how you can see the whole thing. Drinks. Okay. Just for you guys to know what I've ordered, I'm looking at the receipt. Got a set of Hokkaido Salmon special. It comes with a large fries, a medium green tea, that's it, and that's all. So yeah, let's start eating. I'm so excited. I haven't had McD in a long time. Just put this here to put the sauce later. And this is how the burgers look like. Can you see? Two buns, salmon, and some coleslaw, and yeah. So excited. Yeah, can you see the fries? Oh yeah, I gotta open up the sauces and put it here so I can eat my fries with the sauce. So chili sauce, is garlic chili sauce. I just realized it. Can you see? It's so hard to focus. Is garlic chili sauce is different from the usual one, so I'll save one packet later. Also have a seaweed powder for the shaker fries, I believe. Seaweed powder. I think this bag is for the fries. I can put the fries into the bag and then shake it with the seaweed powder. So let's do it now. Fries into the bag. The bag. And then let's open up the seaweed packet. Put the powder inside the fries. So just it smells so good. Then there's a snack. I think it's like a green pea snack. It smells like that. Oh my gosh, it must be so tasty. Okay, I guess should be enough. Wow. I guess I've shaken it so well. The seaweed powder all sticking on the fries, so Yeah, I done a great job. Yes. So here are my fries. There you see. Look at that. Nice. I'm gonna start eating. Tastes like fillet of fish, but it's a salmon. You can see there's a red flesh color. I can't focus. The sauce is quite good though. I don't think it's a mayonnaise. Maybe, I'm not sure. It doesn't taste like mayonnaise. I don't know. It's quite good. Let's try the green tea. Very refreshing, just like green tea. A cold green tea. Let's try the fries, the shaker fries. Oh, it's so hard to focus today. Why? Camera. Yeah. Let's dip it into the garlic sauce, garlic chili sauce. See how it tastes. A little bit too much, but it's okay. Let me try another one without the sauce. The seaweed taste actually is very mild. You almost can't taste it. Let me try again. Yeah, it's very mild, but it's okay. Just like French fries. It's really mild, I think. Salmon burger set is actually a new burger that McDonald's in Singapore has recently just released. So I got it, and I actually wanted to order their matcha green tea McFlurry, but apparently I didn't see it online, so I guess I have to just go to McDonald's itself to just get it on my own. So yeah, a little disappointing because I want to show you on the video, but it's okay. Maybe I'll film another vlog doing matcha McFlurry. let's see how it goes. Okay, so continue eating. Bite. I'm not even going to try to focus it. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, that's fine. I just eat it. Pretty full now. Going to have another few more fries and I'm going to call it a day. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like today's mukbang, and it's a very simple one. For those of you who have been watching me for a while now, maybe not, because I haven't been coming out with new videos, but I will try my best, because it's a new year, 2018. I tell myself I'm going to do something a little different. One thing I want to do is put out videos more regularly, and yeah, just bear with me guys. Don't go away too far, okay? Come back to my channel. You can turn on the notification bell next to my name, here or here. I don't know which side. Anyway, you can also add me on Instagram. I sometimes will post pictures and what I eat or what I do or how I'm feeling on that day. I'll post some pictures. Check me out. It's right here. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's mukbang. I will come up with more videos soon. I promise, okay? So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye. There's an update, guys. I didn't see the shaker fries back here. Anyway, this video is going to be up on the weekend, so I hope you guys have a good weekend. Relax, enjoy yourself and have fun. So bye.